Hello from the other side. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Classy Wear Sewing Workshop. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this design on the screen. Do well to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's get to the sewing workshop. All right, we're here. Welcome. As you can see, we've already cut out the bodies of these clothes. Now we're going to take the measurements to get the V-neck. I'm actually going to take 12 inches from the back neck. 12 inches. Then I'm going to mark out ½ inch from the back. I'm going to mark out ½ inch. Then I'll connect the line to meet the 12 inches down. If you're still finding it difficult to know how to cut the bodies of a senator dress, do well to search the video on our YouTube channel or probably visit the link below to get it. Now that same ½ inch rather, I'm going to mark it from this part too, so I can trim it off. Now if you're actually looking for, or rather still confused on how to cut a round senator neck, we still have the tutorial video on this YouTube channel. I'm going to cut it off to get our V shape, then I'll trim out the ½ inch. Don't forget to mark the wrong side of the fabric. This is the V-neck. We're going to cut this place, but before we do that, we must have to join the back to the front. Okay, this is the back. Now this, we're going to use this blue material for the shadow facing. This will be inside. This is exactly what we attempt to achieve with this shadow facing. So let's get down to join the front to the back, then before we come back. Okay, this is the back facing. I cut it out. Now cut a piece of this material, then any material you want to use for this, got like 5-inch width, which I'm going to trim it later. So I will add my hemming gum in between, then iron it down. Okay, this is what we have. I'm measuring 1.7. At the end of this, I want to get 1.2 inches after stitching it to the material. So this is it. Now we have a piece of material. This blue will be showing in front. Is that material that is showing in front? So I cut it out at 1.2. Then I fold it into 2. which I'm going to use my hemming gum to glue it inside so that it will stand firm. So I've already gummed it. I've already done the hemming. Now I'm going to attach the tiny blue to this fabric. I'm going to use hemming gum to be doing that. Just exactly what I'm doing. I'll gum it to the end part of it. As you can see, I've already gummed it. Make sure that I'm sewing half an inch to the material itself. Okay, we've joined it. We've joined these bodies. As you can see, the shadow facing. Going to open this place. All right, we bring out this our taping material that we've already gummed. So we're going to attach it. We're going to stitch it together round from this part, round the neck, and come down to the other part. Let's get to the machine and do that. Okay, as you can see, we have stitched this to the fabric. So you can see how it is. Very neat. If you are deriving value from this video, do well to subscribe to this channel. As well, share this video so that others can as well benefit from it. And also turn on your notification bell so that whenever we drop an amazing video like this, you get the notification. And you have to iron this part. Make sure you iron it straight to make your work more neat. You can see what we have here. We're actually getting there. Now before I stitch this, before I close this, we have to join the hand, we have to join the sleeve. We have to join the sleeve before we stitch down the middle. Before we stitch it, we have to join the sleeve. All right, this is the sleeve. I'm going to cut a piece of this blue material, okay? Cut it like 5-inch wideness. Then I'm going to stitch it with 1/2-inch at the sleeve, at the round sleeve. Yes, stitch it 1/2 inch. Then let's get down Okay, as you can see, we've already stitched it with 1/2 inch. I'm going to open press it with my iron. To open press it. Whatever you're doing to this sleeve, you are still going to do it to the other part, to the other sleeve. The normal sleeve is 10. The sleeve length is 10. Then I made it 11. The 1/2 inch joining, at this point. 1/2 inch joining here, which we have already used to join, and 1/2 inch to join the sleeve to the bodies to the bodies. So that's why I made it 11. So at the end of the day, we still arrive at 10 for the sleeve, 10 inches for the sleeve length. Now you're going to make a tip of the blue material to be showing tiny, make it to be a tiny one. Make it to be as tiny as this. As you can see. I'm going to fold in this part. Then attach my hemming gum on it. Exactly what I did on this sleeve is what I'm still going to do on the other sleeve. After this, we're going to join the sleeve to the bodies. Okay, trim this off. My sleeve is ready. Now you're going to stitch here, stitch it down, and as well stitch to the other side. Okay, we've joined the sleeve to the bodies, as you can see. You can open press the inner. You can open press. This is what we have. Now at this point, make sure they are equal. Make sure there is equal. Now remember the 12 inches we took to get our V-neck. We're still going to mark out the 12 inches here. That is where we'll start our stitch. So we're going to start our stitching. I'm going to use an hemming gum to hold it before we stitch it down, so that it will not shift while we are stitching. As you can see, we'll stitch it down. All right, as you can see, we've stitched down this place and as well fold the top, fold the down part of it, as you can see. This is a cover button which I did with this material, which I'm going to attach in front of this fabric. So from that 12 inches, from that point we joined, we started, I'm going to be marking 4.5 inches for each of the button. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. So I'm going to attach the button to the fabric, to the main cloth itself. All right, we've already attached our button, as you can see. We're almost done with the clothes. This is the extra button. We are done with this. If you actually derive value from this video, do well to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you and God bless you.